Right now, while you're watching this, your brain is under attack, not from viruses or conspiracies, but from invisible micro-distractions that hijack your attention every few seconds. Every time your eyes flick to your phone, every time you feel the urge to check something for just a second, your brain runs a tiny cost-to-benefit equation. Is this worth my energy? Or is there something easier? That equation decides everything you do, and it's the reason focus feels harder than ever. But what if I told you that the same mechanism destroying your focus can be rewired to make deep work feel addictive? This isn't motivation talk, it's neuroscience. Your brain was never built for the modern world. It evolved to scan for threats and rewards in a slow environment. Now it's drowning in infinite novelty. Every ping, swipe, or notification is a mini slot machine designed to train your attention span to zero. You don't have ADHD. You have a hacked reward system, and the scary part? You can't out-willpower it. You have to outwire it. Deep inside your brain sits the prefrontal cortex, the CEO of your mind. It plans, prioritizes, and resists impulses. But every time you jump between apps, you trigger task switching costs. That's when your brain dumps a small burst of dopamine, the search chemical, to reward you for novelty. The more you repeat it, the weaker your prefrontal cortex becomes at staying with one task. Your focus muscles literally atrophy. You're not distracted because you're weak, you're distracted because you're training distraction. You felt it. The tabs open that you never close, the book that feels heavier every time you pick it up, the work session that somehow ends on YouTube again. You tell yourself you'll do better tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes because your brain's reward system has forgotten what real satisfaction feels like. The fix isn't deleting every app or moving to a cabin. It's about retraining your brain's reward prediction system. You need to teach your brain that deep focus equals reward again, and it starts with one principle: friction inversion. Make distraction hard and focus easy. Move your phone to another room. Keep your workspace visually clean, and start your day with the hardest task before your dopamine budget is spent. For the next 7 days, do this experiment. 1. Pick one focus block, just 60 minutes a day. 2. Turn off every source of instant feedback. 3. Start a focus tracker. Note how long before you feel the urge to switch. 4. Each day, stretch that number slightly longer. You're not chasing perfection, you're rebuilding neural stamina. The first 2 days will feel awful, that's withdrawal. But around day 4, something shifts. Your brain starts releasing dopamine before you start working, anticipating progress, not distraction. That's the moment you've rewired the system. Focus isn't about willpower, it's about identity. Every time you resist a distraction, you're casting a vote for a different version of yourself, one who finishes what they start. And here's the paradox: when deep work becomes your default, pleasure follows automatically. Because sustained attention creates satisfaction, the scroll gives you pleasure without meaning. Focus gives you meaning without regret. After a week, you'll notice it. Your thoughts slow down, your attention widens, the noise quiets. You'll realize you don't need constant stimulation, you need clarity. And once your brain rediscovers that clarity, you'll never want to lose it again. So here's your challenge: one 60-minute focus block every day for 7 days. No phone, no tabs, no interruptions. Watch how your brain fights back, then adapts. Comment day 1 below and track your progress. Because on the other side of boredom is the mind you've been missing.